Morning friends, this is Neetu Tyagi sharing my views on COVID-19 pandemic scenario. Actually, yesterday I got news of one of my friends who got depressed due to this COVID crisis. I was really shocked as well as surprised. I want to ask a single question in the beginning of my discussion. Can't we really turn this epidemic into happydemic? An answer is absolutely yes. Because our mind has enormous capacities which can tackle every adverse situation around us. One of the famous English poet John Milton said, "Mind is its own place. In itself, it can turn heaven of hell and hell of heaven." Lord Buddha once said, "We are shaped by our thoughts. If mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow." Yes, our mind has enormous capacities. Just we have to recognize its potential, and this is the dire need of the present situation. No doubt, we all are passing through an unprecedented human tragedy due to COVID-19 pandemic. Our morning starts with the sad news of the sad demise of our near and dear ones. In 2020, when we thought that war is over now, coronavirus attacked us with double power, and now we are going to face the third wave, which will affect kids more seriously. This is all the matter of really concern, but mere concern can't resolve our problems. Yes, for example, I have a cut in my finger. I have two choices. Either I will cry over it, or I will apply medicine on it. If I cry over it like, "Oh my God, there is a cut in my finger. Oh my God, now how will I do my work? What should I do now?" These multiple of questions would create unnecessary panic in my mind, and this cut will get infected, and this infection may lead severe problems. On the other hand, if I'm applying medicine on my wound carefully and I'm taking care of it, this will definitely be resolved in time. So, in every situation, we have two sides. One is problem, another is solution. Now, choice is ours where we have to focus. Same we are doing nowadays. Even in 2020, I listened many news that people committed suicide, people jumped from the last floor. So all these tensed news, depressed news and distressed news are because we are unable to handle our situation with our strength of mind. And we all know no battle can be won with a negative outlook or negative mindset. Even the victory of a battle comes with the positive thought, "Yes, I can win. Yes, we can win." And dear friends, we have to revive this approach again in this COVID-19 scenario. We have to think, yes, this is a battle against coronavirus, and we will definitely win. We have to just keep few things in our mind. Number one, we have to accept whatever is going on around us. Believe me, it may be the action plan of the creator of the universe, or of Almighty, or of God, whatever you say. It may be the action plan of Almighty, and we all are unaware of it. So just accept and watch whatever is going on around us. Second important thing, laughter therapy. Yes, use laughter therapy to reduce your mental anxiety, to reduce your despondency of your mind, because we all know laughter is the best medicine ever in this world. Next important point, we have to maintain hope. Yes, hope in hopeless time is really difficult to maintain, but we have to do. And I must tell you, hope is not a massage for which we lie back on the bed and others will do for you. Hope is really a rigorous training program for which we have to stick regularly to get fruitful results. So, maintaining hope in this crucial period is also one of the most important key tool to fight with coronavirus. Except it, we can do many things to make our mind creative and productive. We can read our favorite books, we can watch our favorite TV shows, we can sing beautiful songs and record it, we can dance on our favorite numbers, we can do paintings, we can spend quality time with your family members, which was really difficult due to the busy schedule earlier, and we can talk to our near and dear on telephone to keep us relaxed and calm. So there are lots of choices which we can opt to make our mind peaceful, happy, creative and calm. If you are watching news channels, I would suggest you watch panel discussions of medical experts, which will give you the tips how you can save yourself from attacking coronavirus, and if you are COVID patient, how will you be positive and how will you cure yourself. So watch selected channels and selected programs to make you mentally and physically fit rather than to create panic for you. And last, the most important, do daily yogic practices. Do physical exercises for physical fitness and mental exercises for mental fitness. Raise your physical, mental and spiritual immunity. 1 hour, spend 1 hour on these activities and you will get the good results. Trust me, you will be able to accept the unpredictable challenges around you, and by following these important tips, we will definitely win this battle against coronavirus. So thank you so much for listening me patiently. We will meet in the next video with some new important topics. Thanks a lot.